Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I'm here to tell you that not all bar shampoos and conditioners are created equal. I got this set from BRIXY, and I am so happy to have tried this because other brands were not cutting it. This is keeping my hair shiny and bouncy, and not to mention it smells fantastic. This is the mint eucalyptus, and it is the 3 starter set, so it includes the body bar soap as well. And I have been using this to shave as well, so not that that's what it's meant for, but it does the trick. This is going to have argan oil, coconut oil, shea butter. You can look up which one has which, but they are pretty much all about balancing the pH. Now, I did have scalp issues before using these. They're gone now thanks to this. And the best part is that they're all really clean ingredients. It has 0 fillers. Even the box it comes in has 0 plastic waste. So you know this brand really cares about the ingredients they put into it. So I have color treated hair, and my stylist was amazed that my color is not fading as quickly as she expected. You can see here, I don't even have drops or any kind of product in it at all. And it is shiny, it has good texture, a lot of movement and bounce. And that's all just from using the shampoo and conditioner. And these are also perfect to travel with. No more worrying about liquids. These are solid and they fit anywhere. You can even cut them in half and put them in different bathrooms. These have a very delicate, soft smell, so don't worry. You are not gonna burn your eyes with this eucalyptus. I've done that in the past. Overall, I am really happy with the BRIXY brand, and I can't wait to try their other scents. But that's just my point of view.